Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to change the wallpaper on your MacBook. So the first step is you want to search up for system preferences and load up this application. Once you're inside of here, at the top left you see desktop and screensaver. Click on this one, and once you're brought to here, you have the options. If you click on desktop pictures to switch to the default macOS wallpapers. So let's say I want to switch to this one right here. You can see it takes a bit, but then the wallpaper will change. So do that again, one more time, and you can see everything's fully working. However, what if you want to change the wallpaper to your own custom one? So you see photos right here. If you use the photos application, you can browse the photos app to find any wallpapers inside of here. But then you also have folders and then pictures. And if you put your wallpapers inside of the pictures area, you can switch to any ones you see right here. So I have this picture and this is right here. However, what if you have pictures inside of a different folder and you want to use that folder instead? What you want to do is tap on the plus, and then you'll be brought to this file browser right here. So I have some screenshots. So if I go to documents and I just find screenshots, choose, and if we just give it a little bit to load, you can see all of the screenshots I have available right here. I can now select as my desktop wallpaper. So let's say I want this to be my desktop wallpaper. You can see just like that, it is changed successfully. So if you have any pictures you want to have as the wallpaper, you just want to make a folder, right? So let's just say we go to documents, right click, new folder, and let's just call this wallpapers, and then just move. Let's say this is a photo file. Move all of those wallpapers inside of that folder, and then once you're brought to system settings, you can just select whatever wallpaper you want. Now, if I'm being honest, I prefer this one, so I'm going to set this to this. But of course, you can use whatever wallpaper you want. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.